It's your backyard cook, Kirby. Now today, I'm making a home staple of mine. I can't go more than 2 weeks without making this dish, and everybody in the house starts craving it, including myself. Basically what I'm making today is a Pollo Asado taco, a chicken taco made with boneless thigh meat, marinated with a little bit of lemon, and special seasoning. Chef Marito's chicken seasoning. Now I already have my meat marinated. Basically what I do is I squeeze some lemon juice on there, and then I sprinkle with Chef Marito's chicken seasoning. Now I let that sit for about 30 minutes. So since my chicken's marinated already, I'm gonna get to cooking. Let's do this. Now I am using my gas grill today, but I do have a wood chip box in there filled with hardwood mesquite chunks. It provides extra flavor and I love that smokiness in it. Really good, must try. Now the cook time on this isn't too long. It's about 4 to 5 minutes per side of the chicken. But you want to make sure that you get internal temperature of the chicken up to 165 degrees. So since I am using my gas grill and using chicken boneless thighs, you need to be really careful that you don't get hot spots. The fat drips and then it'll basically create a flame. So you need to be really careful. Just move it around and just watch for the hot spots. And you should be okay.
Alright, so our chicken looks like it's ready to turn. Smells good. Got that mesquite going.
So for a little side of the tacos, what I have right here is some green onion that I splashed a little bit of olive oil. I'll sprinkle a little bit of lemon pepper and garlic powder. This is really good for a side when you're eating tacos. So let's get this on the grill. Now that I'm waiting for the chicken to finish off, I'm going to be building my taco very simply. I'm using a corn tortilla, and I'm going to be putting a pico de gallo mix that has cilantro, onion, and tomatoes. Then I'm also going to squeeze some lemon juice on there. I'm going to apply a little bit of homemade salsa, really delicious by the way, and I'll be topping it with some avocado. Pretty simple, but very delicious. Alright, I think it's about that time to check the meat. I think it's about done. It's already been a little over 5 minutes, so let's do that right now.
Yep. Cooked. Alright, let's go ahead and get these off. Smells delicious. Let these onions cook up a little bit while I chop some meat. Alright, so basically I'm gonna chop up some chicken so we can build our taco. Oh man, this smells so delicious. Look at that. Nice and tender. Let's give it a try. That lemon really comes out in that. Really good. Alright, let's heat up some tortillas. Okay, so we got our tortillas all heated up. So let's go ahead and start building these tacos. Put down some chicken there. Get a nice layer. Kind of want to even it up. Yeah, this one's a little deprived here. So I love using fresh avocados. It's really delicious in tacos. Just slice down. Make your little slices there. Then what you want to do is you want to take a spoon and just scoop it out. Just like that. Then you get your little strips, okay? And these are a little firm, but those are the ones I'm looking for. That way they're nice and fresh. Okay, just a little bit there to give it that little texture and that good flavor from the avocado. And our pico de gallo. Now, I love putting cabbage on my tacos also. It provides that extra little crunch. As you guys seen in my carne asada taco video. But just like this is fine. Right there. Alright. Okay, so we're gonna add a little bit of homemade salsa there. I do plan on doing a salsa video, but that'll come in the future. I want you guys to see my food. Alright, so now that we got the tacos there, all topped up, now we just need some lemon. Squeeze a lemon. Yeah, you don't want the seed in there. Look at that. Alright, well let's get to the taste test.
Okay, so now that we got our tacos already pretty much built, basically I'm gonna open up this little foil bag here. I'm gonna pull out a couple grilled green onions. Oh, that smells so good. That smells really good. Alright, so you've seen how I did this. I want to see how you do it. If you have an Instagram, I'm on there. I'm under Kirby's_Fish and Grill. If you do end up making this, make sure you tag me on the post and also use the hashtag cookmentality. I can't wait to see what you do. Alright, it's time for the taste test. The best part. Alright, let's get this one here. Nice big bite right there. Alright, going in. I need one more. This is really good. So now we got these green onions here. Let's get into it. Nice and tender. Got that onion flavor. If you like grilled onions or sauteed onions, it's really delicious. Pretty good. Just exactly how I thought of it. Every time I make it, I try to make it like this. You got the crunchiness of the tortilla. As soon as you bite into it, it's like an explosion of flavor into your mouth. It's delicious. You get the good seasoned meat. Then you also have the freshness of that pico de gallo. And then the avocado with the lemon and the salsa. It's to die for. You need to try it. Now, my family's inside and they're waiting for these tacos, so I gotta get in and feed them. So, take care, people.